What's the meaning of Belize? Belize. Belize.
Belize. Belize. Belize is a country located in Central America, bordered by Mexico to the north, Guatemala to the west and south, and the Caribbean Sea to the east. The name Belize is believed to have originated from the Mayan word Belix, which means muddy water. With a population of approximately 400,000, Belize has a diverse cultural history, with influences from Mayan, Spanish, British, and African cultures. The official language is English, though Spanish and Creole are also widely spoken. A popular tourist destination, Belize boasts beautiful beaches, coral reefs, and ancient ruins, making it a haven for adventure seekers and history enthusiasts alike.